damo dito guys. Grabe. Look at this. Wow. Lower hooks yung ginamit niya guys. Dito may ulit guys ha. And one of our hobbies guys, mag-fishing. Pareha kami na guys ng ng likes outdoor and exploring. Parang may huli ako. Yun na guys. Lagay ko na siya sa sa tab. Sa lagayan namin ng isda. Galing. Galing, galing. Wow. Oh, may huli ako guys. Nagalaw-galaw yung ko. Wow. Grabe. Placing again. May natampisaw-tampisaw. Ay ko. Yan. Okay. Okay. Magta na kami guys. Uwi na. Tapos naman yung fishing. Oh. What happened? Blackout. Blackout guys. Yan, madilim. Yan, pauwi na may guys. Ko na lang ng 2 minutes kasi para ang aking yan, ang fishing rod. Para may kuha ako Bye bye guys. Thanks for watching guys. Sing again from the lake pond or reservoir. Thank you so much. Bye.